Great morning. I got some Panther piss, getting ready to start the project. This shit will eat through anything that's stuck on. Alright, let's hit it. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a 3-inch down pipe on my 7.3 OBS. This is the kit. This is coming off the turbo. This is going to go towards the rear. These pipes are going to connect with the U-bolt. Going to get that on today. It's very early. I'm kind of dragging my ass today because there's a shitload of projects I got to get done, but I'm going to jump on that and take you through some of the steps. Installing it should be very easy. It's not rocket science. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off the coupling bolt there. That's going to be 11 millimeter. I'm going to get that off. And let me show you underneath here. Okay. And underneath here, if I can get my camera here. There's the other two bolts that have to come off. Probably a 9/16. I have to get those off. And that's what I'm going to do first. Alright, so here we are underneath. I just got that loosened. Previously, I did spray some Panther piss on there. I soaked the hell out of it, let it sit for about 20 minutes. Did not have a problem. Update, this was a 5/8. If you have the original exhaust, it's going to be a 5/8 deep well. That slides back. There's the pipe. There it is. Alright, there's that. And I also loosened the one coming off the turbo, 11 millimeter. Now I'm going to show you how to actually get this cluster fuck out of here. Alright, here we are. I'm laying under the passenger door. This is your transmission. This is a manual transmission. Now, if you have an automatic, I don't know if you're going to have this much amount of room. Cover right here, facing the passenger door. Okay, you're going to make one cut. However, whatever tools you can get in here. All right, so here we are. I made my one cut, as you could see, right by the ZF and the plate. The main problem I ran in here was this this damn heat shield. Get that out of the way. The one in the back is fine because once you get your tools in there, you'll cut through it. But where you're making your cut from the front side here, you can't really get your tools in there. Get this piece out of the way. I just cut the heat shield back. I left the back one. The most effective tool that I had on the job was a small Sawzall. Let me show you. It's that one there. It's made by Bosch. It's very small. All right, here we are from the back side now. Made my cuts. Now you're gonna have to bear with me. This is the first one I ever done, so we'll see how this comes out. All right, so here you go. One cut. Here's the piece. Alright, so that's that one. What we're going to do is go up top and pull the other piece out from the engine bay. Okay, so where I'm at right now, I pulled the pipe up a couple inches past my turbo outlet here. What I need to do is cut the neck off because it is going to be very difficult trying to pull it through. I'm hitting up here on this heat shield, so just cut the neck off and should not have a problem with it sliding out. So that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, so here we are. just got done cutting my neck off. There's that. So what happened is the rest of the pipe has dropped down. So I believe pulling it out is going to go that way from underneath. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are underneath. Rest of the pipe, heat shield. There it is. There's the rest of the pipe. And fuck, it's hot in Florida this morning. Fucking hot. All right, so here we are, guys. Got my down pipe coming in down from the turbo. I did my notch here and a heat shield. Got my pipe in. The only thing I noticed is I didn't see a lot of people actually putting... Oh, fuck. Got some in my eye. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Yeah, make sure you wear safety glasses. Fuck. Okay, this is an old piece of my heat shield that I got off the stock pipe. Didn't see anybody shove any kind of heat shield. Now, once you cut into this, you're getting into the actual sheet metal panel of the actual shell of the cabin of the truck. And I'm going to secure this heat shield behind this down pipe because I just didn't like it that I had to notch into it and there was nothing left. So I'm definitely going to use that when I get everything bolted up. And next, my extension pipe and get my U-bolt in on that. And I'll check in with you guys. Okay, guys, finished product. Down pipe, heat shield behind there that I got off the old pipe. Stuffed that in there. My U-bolt. This is my connection going towards the rear of the truck. That comes with hardware with the package. And this is the top view from the engine bay. That's my original clamp that came off the old pipe. Make sure you keep yours. That does not come in the package. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to keep your muffler bearings greased and keep your blinker fluid full. See ya.